If you're looking for free camping just outside Yellowstone, this spot on Travertine Road might be one of the best you'll find. Let's check it out. Getting here is part of the adventure. The climb up the hill is definitely steeper than it looks on camera, and the road is a little rough in places. We took it slow in our camper van and had no problems making it to the top. Most SUVs, trucks, and vans should be fine if you just take it slowly. Once you get to the campsite, the views are worth it. You're surrounded by wide open space with lots of mountains surrounding you, and you can enjoy the peace and quiet. There's no campground, no hookups, and no crowds. Just a nice place to camp after spending a day exploring Yellowstone. Also, before you come up here to your camp spot, make sure you bring firewood because we forgot to grab some, so we missed out on having a campfire up here. Here I am, checking out the amazing view we had. Seeing it from the air really puts the place into perspective. You can just see how remote and beautiful this place is. This ended up being one of our favorite dispersed campsites of the trips. Yeah, it was really nice to find this place, slow down, take in the view, and just enjoy the mountains. As we packed up and headed out, this was one stop we knew we'd remember. If you're planning a Yellowstone trip and want an unforgettable free campsite, Travertine Road is definitely worth adding to your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.